In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate the Wix Stores app into your website, effortlessly add products that will automatically include a cart, and then customize the design of your shopping cart to fit your unique style and brand. Whether you're an e-commerce newbie or a seasoned online retailer, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and ease. Let's begin by diving into the Wix app market. Open your Wix editor and navigate to the app market, which you'll find in the left-hand menu. Here you have access to a multitude of tools that can enhance your website, but today we're focusing on the Wix Stores app. Type Wix Stores in the search bar, and once you find the app, click on Add to install it onto your site. This powerful tool will allow you to manage all aspects of your online sales more effectively. Once the Wix Stores app is installed, it automatically enables a fully functional shopping cart feature, which seamlessly integrates with any products you add to your site. The beauty of this process is in its simplicity. Any product you upload is instantly equipped with cart functionality, ensuring a smooth shopping experience for your customers. To get this set up, again, navigate to your site's editor and find the new Stores option that has been added to your menu. Click there to begin adding your products. Enter the name, price, description, and any other essential details for each item. Keep in mind that high-quality images and concise, enticing product descriptions can significantly enhance your sales potential. With your products now added and the cart functionality in place, it's time to focus on personalizing your cart design to better reflect your brand. Head over to your site's dashboard and click on Manage Store. From here, highlight Store Pages and select Cart. Here is where the magic happens. You can customize the appearance of your cart to make it visually appealing and functionally efficient. You'll find options to change the layout, adjust colors, and choose fonts that match your site's aesthetic. Experiment with these settings until your cart looks just right. A well-designed cart not only increases the likelihood of completing sales, but also enhances the overall customer experience. Finally, preview your site to see how these elements come together. Click on Preview at the top right of your Wix editor to ensure everything is working as expected. Don't hesitate to ask a friend or colleague to test the process, from browsing products to checking out, so you can gather feedback and make necessary adjustments before going live. And that's it. Setting up an efficient online store has never been easier. By following these steps to add the Wix Stores app, automatically linking your products to a cart, and customizing your cart's design, you have laid the foundation for a successful e-commerce venture.